is not a test. An emergency has been reported in your area. All residents are advised to remain indoors and await further instructions. Do not use telephone lines unless absolutely necessary. Do not leave your residence. This message will not repeat. This is not a test. Remain indoors. Close all doors and windows. If you are already indoors, move to an interior room. If you are not indoors, return home immediately. Avoid watching outside. This message will repeat. This is not a test. Remain indoors. Do not move to interior rooms. Open at least one window to allow airflow. If you hear voices outside, do not respond. Avoid mirrors. This message will repeat. This is not a test. Previous instructions make it natural. Follow most recent message only. Remain indoors unless instructed otherwise. If you have left your residence, do not attempt to return. If this broadcast pauses and you listening, this message will repeat. Tonight.